Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Today we are diving deep into the latest gaming beast, the iQOO New 10. Is this perfect balance of performance, design and value? And I am using this smartphone more than 2 weeks, so I am sharing my user experience. So guys, start the video. First off, let's talk about the design. The iQOO New 10 featuring a premium glass back with a matte finish that resisted fingerprint perfectly, and the font is come with the Gorilla Glass and aluminium frame, so it feels solid and premium in the hand. iQOO Neo 10 featuring a 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution 1B color AMOLED display with butter smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Color are vibrant and black are deep, and 4500 nits of peak brightness. Outdoor visibility is excellent and is perfect for watching movie or gameplay on this display, and the studio speaker is very loud, give you excellent sound quality. Performance wise, the iQOO Neo 10 powered by latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC paired with a 12GB RAM and 12GB virtual RAM and 256GB storage for base variant. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 this year flagship chipset, so you can easily use this smartphone more than 2 and 3 years, and at the same time I also using lot of app at the background and I don't face any lag or issues. On the software side, the smartphone running Origin OS 5 based on Android 15. This new software you can get lot of customization option. So now talk about the gaming performance. I will test this phone some game like Call of Duty and PUBG Mobile. Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG Mobile you can play max setting, you can play 120 FPS, and I am already making Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG Mobile dedicated video. Video link also available in the video description and the I button. Check it out. My gaming experience is excellent. I don't face any problem or hitting issue after a long time more than 30 minutes. So if you are a gamer, this smartphone is perfect choice for you. In the camera department, the smartphone comes with a dual camera setup. 50 megapixel Sony IMX 921 flagship camera sensor and 8 megapixel ultra wide, and the font is come with a single 16 megapixel selfie camera. The smartphone main camera you can record highest 8K 30fps video, and you also record 1080 30 60 fps and 120 fps slow-mo video, and this is a 4K 60 fps video sample, and as you can see that the video quality is excellent. Daylight the photo look good with the great details and natural color, and I'm already making this smartphone dedicated camera review. Video link also available in the video description and the I button. Check it out. And especially I like this smartphone portrait picture. Without telephoto lens, the smartphone give you excellent portrait, and low light performance has also been improved compared to iQOO Neo 9. Now coming to the battery life, the iQOO Neo 10 powered by massive 6100 mAh battery, and at the box is come with a 120 watt adapter. So if you are a heavy user, you can get easily more than 1 day battery backup. Security wise, the smartphone comes with the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner which is very fast, and face unlock is also very fast. So is the iQOO Neo 10 worth it? So if you are a gamer looking for a top-notch performance and an amazing display, excellent camera and over fast charging, so this is a solid choice. That is for to the review the iQOO Neo 10. What do you think about the gaming beast? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome tech, and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.